Hello everyone and welcome back. Well, what do we have here? Let's take a look. Alright, what we've got here is Melvin Nut costing me money, but I'll forgive him because what I got was that. This is a California Highway Patrol duty gun in 40 Smith & Wesson. As you can see, it is a Smith & Wesson 40 Tactical. It is the 4006 model, and as all of them do, they came with the CHP in the serial number. Now, if you've seen Mel's video, you know all the special features of it. It has the integrated rail, has a magazine disconnect. It is a decocker only. It comes with the bobbed hammer over here. Magazine disconnect, decocker, integrated rail. Comes with the original grips. I do have a set of Hogue grips to go on this in the Goncalo Alves, if that's how it's pronounced. So we're going to see how those fit on here. I've heard that I may have to do a little bit of modification to these. But that's the first look at my new California Highway Patrol 40 Tactical. So let's try those grips on and we'll take a look at it then. Alright, so here we are putting the Hogue grips on, and they are going to fit. They come with this little plastic piece. So your hammer spring fits in a little cup here, and that was held in by the pin on the original grips. But what you do is you pound that pin out, you put this little cup in there, or the little adapter in there, and your retention cup and your hammer return spring goes in to that, and then the grips are actually cut out on the back side for your pin, because you replace your pin without the grips on it, and the grips just slide on and into place. And you put the screws in. So there is what we're looking like now that we've got the Goncalo Alves Hogue grips on there. Now these were for the 5906, which also fits the 4006, which is what this is. It says on the back here, on the models, that this will fit. Smith & Wesson 3rd generation 9mm or 40 cal with slide safety. And they did have these. I got these at Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. But it says on the back here if it's 5904, 5906, 5944, 5946, 5943, 4006, 411, 915, etc. So there were a couple other variations of this, different colors. I wanted to go with the Goncalo Alves on these. So there we go. There is my Smith & Wesson 40 Tactical California Highway Patrol gun with new Goncalo Alves grips on it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay armed, stay vigilant, stay safe.